In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the index and index match formulas in Smartsheet to look up and return data from your sheets more flexibly than basic lookup formulas. First, open the sheet where you want to return data and identify the value you'll use as your lookup reference, such as an ID number, project name, or employee name. Next, choose the cell where you want the result to appear and begin creating your formula. The index formula returns a value from a specific position within a column or range. Start by selecting the column that contains the information you want to return. To make the formula dynamic, combine index with match. The match function searches a column for a specific value and returns its position number. Set the match function to search for your lookup value within the reference column that contains matching records. Once match finds the correct row position, index uses that position to return the corresponding value from the target column. This combination allows you to search one column and return information from another column without manually locating the data. After building your formula, press enter and verify that the correct value appears in the result cell. Test the formula with different lookup values to confirm that it updates dynamically and returns the correct information each time. Index and match are especially useful for cross-sheet references, project tracking, reporting, and large datasets where you need flexible and accurate lookups. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use index and index match formulas in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.